How to sign up for SEMrush affiliate program in Sinhala. Hey guys, today we'll guide you through the process of signing up for the SEMrush affiliate program in Sinhala. SEMrush is a comprehensive SEO and digital marketing tool, and their affiliate program offers a fantastic opportunity to earn something. So let's get started on how to sign up for the SEMrush affiliate program. Before we dive into the sign up process, let's briefly explain what the SEMrush affiliate program is all about. This program allows you to earn commission by promoting SEMrush, a leading SEO digital and marketing platform. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link on my description box, you will land on this page. Then you need to scroll down. In the footer section, you will see an option of affiliate program. Click on it. Once you're on SEMrush affiliate program, click on apply now button and begin the registration process. Click on sign up. Next, you will need to agree to the SEMrush affiliate program terms and condition. Please take the time to read through these carefully as they outline the rules and expectation for affiliates. Once you are done, click on accept. You can sign up with email, or you can also sign up with your Facebook, Google, Twitter or LinkedIn account. After agreeing to the terms, you will be directed to your SEMrush affiliate dashboard. Here you need to provide your mobile number, and after agreeing to the terms, you will be directed to your SEMrush affiliate dashboard. Then you can complete your profile, set up your payment method and access various affiliate resources. Now it's time to start promoting SEMrush. You can generate affiliate links for specific SEMrush product or even their homepage. These links will track your referrals and commissions. Congratulations, you are now registered SEMrush affiliate. You can start promoting SEMrush through your affiliate links and earn commissions for each successful sales made through those links. That concludes our guide on how to sign up for the SEMrush affiliate program in Sinhala. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.